Okay, that's that's great. Okay, so now here, um, this is Excel where we are currently using, that is MS Office 2021. Okay, this is 365 Office 365 I'm using currently, and as this introduction, I will first explain you the interface. Okay, this interface is known as ribbon, right? In this ribbon, we have group like clipboard group, font group, alignment group, number group. Similarly, we have with all the tabs. Now, what are tabs? This is my home tab, insert tab, sorry, titles tab, insert tab, page layout tab, formula tab, data tab. So as we have a different kind of tabs here, right? So in every tab we have ribbon and we have a group, right? And now here, can you see? I have your titles name tab where you don't have, correct? So this is my personalized tab, whereas whichever tools I want on a regular basis, that I can have in one single tab, correct? Whichever tools that need from different tabs, like for example from insert I might need illustration, so that illustration is mentioned here. See here, if I need anything from a layout, if I require something margin, so I'll be adding in my titles tab, right? Something if I want from formula like name manager and evaluate formula auditing, that is there mentioned here, right? See, formula auditing. If something I need from data, there is shorthand filter, so that also I've added here. So whichever tools that is different, it is scattered, I can get in one single tab, because these tools I'll be using for regular basis, correct? So now, how to get this tab insert? Do anybody know how to get this tab insert? No, right? So I will give you the step by step. So we'll go to step by step. First, we have to go to File option and File tab. In File tab, I have here options at the end, and here I will click Customize ribbon. Can you all go to this? Go to File tab. At the end, you have option. Click on option and then Customize ribbon. All of you, please do this. Have you done all? Okay. So now here the titles tab is there. I'll just remove it out and I'll create a new tab. Okay. So now whenever you want to create a new tab, where do you want to create? You want to create after your home tab, then I need to keep my cursor on home tab. If I want after insert, so I have to click on insert. So wherever I want my tab to be created, I will click on that tab first. So now I want after my home tab. So I want my titles tab after my home tab. So I click on my home tab, and here in bottom, see here I have new tab. In bottom I have new tab. So see here in this new tab, W has been underlined. In a new tab, W has been underlined. Can somebody tell me what is the meaning of this W? Sorry, not control. It is, yes, it's all W. Very good. So it is all W. It is used for shortcut keys. So Microsoft has made us very easy how to use the shortcut keys. So here I have used all W, and I got my shortcut key where I have got my new tab inserted. So now here I have, when I click all W, my new tab got inserted and new group also got inserted with simultaneously. Correct? So I have a new tab and new group. Can you see my screen? I have a new tab and new group, right? So now here I want to rename this tab. I can right click and rename, or I can also go to name manager, rename. So for this rename, the shortcut is What will be the shortcut for rename? It's Alt M. Yeah, Alt M is a shortcut for rename. So here I will name my name. I'll put my name as Titus, or you can put any project name if you want. So, but I'm mentioning as Titus. So here, see my tab name has been changed to Titus. Can you all do it? If it's not happening, you can share me your screen. I can check it. All of you done it? Rename. Okay. So now here I will rename this group also, and I'll name this group as group 1. I'll name this group as group 1, and I click OK. Is that done? Okay. So now in this group 1, I will add the tools that I require. So randomly, I'm just selecting some tools for your understanding. All chart type, I click on add. If I need borders, yes, I click on add. Conditional formatting, I click on add. Then that's it. I want only this one. And after getting this done, I also need the tool that is known as scenario. I need a tool that is scenario. So the tool scenario is nowhere in none of the tab. So what I will do, I will select your all commands. See here, I have the option for all commands. All of you got this option, all command. Choose command from. See here, all commands on my screen. Did you get it? Okay, so I'll click on all commands, and if I type here SSSS, so I'll get the scenario. See here, I got the scenario. I click on add, and the scenario manager, again I click on add. So I have installed, inserted here, added here scenario and scenario manager. Can you do it? Keep your cursor here and press SSSS. Uh, the it can be different, but the scenario is important for me. So which will be further used for us in a that for tomorrow's session it will be required. Scenario manager, scenario and scenario manager. Rest you can randomly select. Other one you can randomly select. Have you all done it? Yeah, no, 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 don't click OK now. So I will explain you more thing about this. What else you can add it here? So now here, once you have done this, if you add scenario and scenario manager, all of you, please come to all tabs. So what is this all tab? All tab, what we have generally we have in our ribbons. So the that all tab can be seen here, where you have clipboard group. So these are all the group, and this group they are different tools. Correct? So now here, if you want to add any of this group, you can just select this entire group and click on add. So the entire group you added with the tools, right? Now, if you want something from data, you want the entire group to be added, like sort and filter, you can add it. Data tools, if you require, click on add. That's it. So randomly, you can select any group for your reference. Here you can do random selection. Yes, please. Can you please share your screen? So when you click OK, see your titles group name has been added here. Can you share me your screen? Okay, so how are you doing it in a mobile? You are looking at your mobile or something? Okay, and session, are you looking on your mobile or something?